साथियों,
Hi everyone, welcome to this session. My suggestion or my request to all, hi, good evening, good evening. Very good evening, all of you. We'll wait for another 1 minute and we'll be starting the session. My request to all of you would be to please rename yourself with your correct name, your class and your board. If you are from CBSE, write a CBSE, ICSE, ICSE, IB, Gujarat board, GBSE, whatever board you belong to, please do that. So participants के लिए go to the participant name. आपका नाम सबसे ऊपर दिख रहा होगा, उस पर राइट क्लिक कीजिए. You will find a rename option. Rename yourself with your correct name, your class and your board. Do that quickly, and I'm waiting for another 1 minute for people to join in, and then we'll be going to start a very exciting session on online classes. These days, this has become a very important thing. How to attack the online classes, how we should look forward for it, everything we are going to discuss here. So just hold for another 1 minute, and then we will be going through. Okay. Okay, so hi, very good evening, all of you. We are yet again to start a session. My request to all of you would be to please rename yourself with your correct name, your class. For example, my name is Rohan. I'm from class 9th, so I'll write 9th, and I'm from Gujarat board, so I'll say GBSC. And if you're from CBSE, write CBSE, ICSE, IB, whatever board you are from, please write out that. And put your class name also. Quickly, everyone, so that we can start the session. Okay. Yeah, let's quickly start this session. So I'm gonna start this session with the poll, right? Okay. Okay. So I hope everybody is ready. Can I have something in the chat box, guys? If everybody is ready. Okay, I hope everybody is able to hear me. Yeah. Yes. Okay, great. We are ready. Chali, let's get started with the session quickly. Let's not waste time. Hi guys, I am Rohan, one of the mentors with Career Launcher. Well, today's session is very short and sweet, and I'm going to talk about ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हाउ टू स्टडी इफेक्टिवली, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में सर पढ़े कैसे. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस व्हिच स्टूडेंट आस्क मी, सर आई कंपल्सरी हैव टू गो थ्रू दिस, राइट? सो व्हाट, हाउ टू स्टडी, राइट? So this is what is the agenda of the session. What I'm going to do is, in this session we are going to do three things for you guys quickly. First of all, we are talking about online versus offline. What has happened, you know, what are the disadvantages, advantages of this, right? We'll talk about this. Before and after of an online exam, of online session, you know, मुझे पहले क्या करना चाहिए, बाद में क्या करना चाहिए, to make it more effective, how I should look forward for. And I will definitely talk about myths about the online classes, right? So this session will be more of an ask me question. You can ask me questions as much as possible. But 10-15 minutes, I have certain things to tell you. Let me just tell you about all these things in 10-15 minutes, and then probably you can ask me whatever question comes to your mind in the chat box, or maybe you may ask me to unmute yourself. I will unmute you, and you can ask me any questions on how to effectively, you know, take up the online classes. It's very important for you to understand, because the pandemic is not getting over. There is a third wave which is expected to come in the month of September, October. Schools might get open, schools might get shut again, you don't know. So in that situation, you should be very, very ready that even if it is online this year, we are very much clear that how to utilize that, right? So let's get started quickly on this particular note. Let me go to the first thing. COVID did this to us. What did COVID did, sir? COVID ने क्या किया? कोविड ने ऑनलाइन को ऑफलाइन कर दिया, या ऑफलाइन को ऑनलाइन कर दिया, राइट? यस और नो? दिस हैज हैपेंड एवरीवेयर, right? By choice or by force, we are now taking up online classes. Like, you are attending my session online, not a physical one, right? But kya kare? There is no solution. Okay, shall we criticize China? You might criticize China for giving you the lovely virus. I will not say lovely virus, but a dreadly virus called as COVID or Corona SARS virus, right? But yes, it has compelled all of us, including your papas and mammas and dadas and dadis and everybody, to come online. The meetings are going online. The world is moving online. Honestly speaking, the research says that this was supposed to be happen 4 or 5 years from now. The online world would overtake the offline world, because the adaptability to the online world is very, very high. The cost, the time consumption, the productivity, everything increases. But India specifically was not ready with the infrastructure changes. For example, the laptops available in the family, or the mobile devices available in the family, or the internet connection in the rural part of the country, or maybe some parts of the cities also. So there are infrastructural problems, but this is going to be future, guys. When you will go to the colleges, when you go to the corporate world, I believe the next 4 or 5 years, and because of COVID, it has become very, very short now. Within the next 2-3 years, you might see an evolution where you might have to be adaptable to the online education. So please understand, all your meetings, all your assignments, all your classes, everything will slowly and gradually shift to the online, because it is very convenient at many places, right? Okay, let me give you an idea on what is offline versus online. Let me give you a brief idea upon what is online versus offline. What has happened to us, right? When we go for online, commuting was a problem, right? Oh, मेरे घर से मेरे को क्लास जाना पड़ता था, मुझे स्कूल जाना पड़ता था. Here you have no more commuting. Online, oh, घर पे बैठ के in my leisure, in my pajamas, I can attend classes. Faculty is not even able to see me. No problem, right? It's good. It's education. You know, Rancho bolta na 3 Idiots wala, gyan jahan bhat raha hai le lijiye. You know, it is about what you get out of that class is very important, not where you get that gyan. It is very important. If you go to the ancient history, you know, the Gautam Buddhas and all those people, they used to have classes in jungle. They used to have classes on ground. The acharyas used to sit on ground and they used to teach us. So it's nothing that we need to have a hanky-panky classroom, or maybe it's all about the gyan. It's all about the knowledge which we are getting. So I think we can get this thing online also, but it is up to you how you take it. Sometimes in the offline classes, we are sitting by force, because it will be an insult to the class or the teacher if you move. But here we are by choice, and we are enjoying. You know, I've seen students, I give my liberty to a student. You can have a sandwich along with you and you can study, because education should not come at a force. Education should come by choice. It's very important. Please understand. So please understand there's a difference between force and choice that you need to be very clear. Here we are saying the class was always conducted at teachers' comfort, and many of the teachers got exposed in the online world. You know, when they were teaching wrong, or maybe they were doing whatever they want to do in a class. Now that cannot happen. Now it is at my time. That means the student time, not at the teacher's comfort. Yes or no? Yeah. No revision of actual classes. No, if I do a class and you miss it because of a number of reasons, here you have the recorded versions available to you guys. You can see it anytime, anywhere, right? I want to study at 2 a.m. in the morning. Teacher is not available. How do I do that? You can in an online mode. You can now. So look at the things in a very, very positive sense. Look at things from an angle key. What advantage I can take, because it is by choice or by force. You have to study online. Now, if you reluctantly study, nobody can help you. You have to study in a very, very passionate way. Getting my point? And believe me, any new thing, any new skill, any new thing will not come in a day. आप लोगों ने सबने बाइसिकल चलाना सीखा था बचपन में. क्या बाइसिकल चलाना पहले दिन आया था? नहीं आया था ना. The first day you were not able to drive a bicycle. Yes or no? Right? What happened on the very first day? You fall down. Does that mean that you will leave driving the bicycle? No. What you did was you asked Papa, Mama, Bhaiya, Didi to help you. They took up your career, they balanced you, they taught you the theory, and slowly and gradually you adapt to this. There was one point of time, yes, you will get Pankti in case you want. You can get the recorded lectures of all the classes which are happening at Career Launcher also, okay? For revision purpose, not now, but for the revision purpose we'll be giving you, don't worry about that, right? So please understand this thing. Any new thing, any new skill will not come in a single day. It will take its own course of time. Please understand this thing. So if you want to revise, you can have recordings, right? And online is something which you have to adapt today or tomorrow. If you want to become the Elon Musk of the world, if you want to become the Mark Zuckerberg of the world, the online is the one which you will have to adapt. If not today, then tomorrow. You have to work upon this, right? Now, tutor quality in my city. I'm sitting in a place where the tutor is not good. I have to commute a lot. I'm sitting in a place where their teachers are not that great, or maybe the teachers for all the subjects are not great. Here, you will have the best of the tutors of the institute will be teaching you online, because it is very much comfortable for any faculty to teach you. In fact, most of the colleges now started using faculties from abroad. You know, there's a faculty who sits in Australia and teaches here. So it's become so, you know, apt and relevant for us to adapt that particular thing, right? Okay, let's move a bit further and quickly talk about what is before and after of an online class. Please understand this thing, right? So please mark my words here, right? I said I will keep this session very, very light, very, very short, so that I can devote more times on your questions. What are the problems actually you are facing? We'll try to make it an AMA sort of a question, which is ask me anything. And you can ask me anything about the online classes, how to do that, how to do that. One important thing which I'll tell you is there are a lot of distraction at times. You know, I'll talk about the myths of the online class in my next slide, but here I'm going to talk about typically, right, before and after of an online class. If you want to make an online class very effective, please understand one thing is, जबरदस्ती का वो ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड मत करो, ठीक है? मेक श्योर दैट यू शुड बी ग्रीडी इनफ कि ये क्लास करने से मेरा फायदा होगा लाइफ में. इफ योर फंडामेंटल्स आर वीक, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग गाइस, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. सपोजली यू से ओ कोविड आ गया, स्कूल बंद हो गया, ट्यूशन क्लासेस ऑनलाइन हो गया, अभी मैं तो कैमरा ऑफ करके आराम से मस्ती करती हूँ, फ्रेंड के साथ खेलती हूँ, मजा करती हूँ, ठीक है? आई बिलीव if this is the approach you are taking towards life, it will land you nowhere. Tell me one thing, why people give you education? You are given education by your parents or by your teachers to make you eligible to fight the challenges of the world. Please understand, this is your life. This is your life. This is life which you are going to, you know, live. You are here. You are here. You are building blocks. Getting my point? What I'm trying to say? By every standard you are going through, you are making your life easy. Now, if there is one block which I remove, right, or maybe one class fundamentals I remove, what will happen? You can imagine that. Are you getting my point? Please understand this thing. Don't feel कि यार ये online classes मिल गई हैं तो मजा आ गया. I can enjoy at my own rate. If you are doing it, you are doing injustice to you, nobody else. Your parents have made up your career. I have made up my career. All the teachers have made up their career. They have nothing to do with your career. Please understand. if you are selfish enough to do something great in life, don't take this time very, very lightly. Don't feel that it's a vacation time going on. Always try to think that these fundamentals will definitely help me in my career. Whatever career you want to do in life, whatever you do in your world, maybe 5 years, 10 years from now, that fundamentals, if it is weak, you know, I teach students from IITs, I teach students from for UPSC, I teach students for CAT, MBA, I teach students for engineering, right? All these people come back and say, sir, mera 7th class mein maths thoda kamzor reh gaya tha, isliye shayad I am not able to do this. Please understand, these things should not come to you. If your fundamentals are weak, you will repent it later. So please make sure that it is very important to take these online classes very, very positively, because you don't know when this pandemic is going to get over. You don't know whether the third wave will let us go to the school or not, whether the third wave will let us go to the classes or not, right? If it happens, wonderful. But if doesn't happen, no need to worry about it, right? You should live or start living in the world, which is the online world, right? Okay. To make the class more effective, what do you need to do before and after the class? The best part of this is, have you saved some time not commuting to the classes? For example, you have a physics class और आपको physics class के लिए point A से point B पे जाना होता था, and I hope you have saved that time, right? So if the class is supposedly at 5 p.m., my request to you is, let's say the class is from 5 to 6 p.m., right? And sir is going to teach you the topic typically is being told earlier. For example, the faculty is going to teach you the concept of force, right? What you can do is, can I go to a YouTube? Can I go to a chapter called force? Can I type force there and start listening about what is force? Probably what will happen is only 10 to 20% of what the guy is saying, I'm able to get it. Yes, but this will make you happy or understandable to grasp the concept faster. Is it clear what I'm trying to say? Am I making sense, guys? What do you need to do? You need to prepare well in before, right? This is the best part. And what time you have saved in commuting, invest it on YouTube. Please understand this thing. Secondly, if it is a successive lecture, for example, there is a lecture of force that is chapter 2, force part 2. Faculty has already taken a class. There is the second class of force, or maybe just an example I'm taking. So before the class, what you need to do is revise whatever sir has taught, because that will help you to connect to this particular thing. Is it clear what I'm trying to say, right? Secondly, in an online classes, the biggest disadvantage would be the faculty runs a bit faster, right? You can always ask the faculty to be a bit slow. Make notebooks as you're doing your physical classes or your offline classes. Separate subject, separate notebook. Don't scribble down, right? You know, in a single notebook, you are doing everything. You're doing maths also, physics also. No, don't do that. Make separate notebooks for separate subject, right? Because we are tuned in such a fashion that we need separate subject for separate, notebook for separate subject. Number two thing, when you make a notebook, and let's say these are the 4 pages, I'm just taking an example. These are 4 pages of your notebook, right? Faculty is teaching you force, and he or she starts with a definition of force, then you give you one example of force, then one diagram, whatever. So when you start writing down notes, the faculty notes, you start writing down notes, wonderful, right? And in between, leave some spaces. For example, the 3rd page I have left vacant, half page, and then I'll start writing from here. Sir, why have you left the half page vacant? supposedly you get any concept related to force. You get any concept related to force 6 months from now or 7 months from now, right? You can easily put it here so that all your notes are together. Because in this world of information and online, you might come across with lot of concepts. ठीक है, आपने किसी वीडियो को देखा, आपने नया कॉन्सेप्ट सीखा, आप यहाँ पे लिख लीजिए, right? The most important thing, dabba it, square it, because it will be a very, very helpful tool when you are going to revise it. Is it clear what I'm trying to say? So before the class or before an online class, what I'm saying is, number one, if the class is supposed to be at 5, log in at 4:55. Reason बहुत simple है, मेरा internet नहीं चला, मेरा laptop नहीं चला, मेरा mobile device नहीं चला, whatever can happen, 5 minutes before the class you should enter. Number 2, right? I said go to YouTube and or maybe your NCERT book or maybe whatever the books you are referring, go and at least have a look at that chapter which is going to start. Number 3, as I said, is very important. When you are before the class, I'm saying you should make a notebook. and you should be mentally ready and with a positive mindset that I will be gaining out of this class for my lifetime. It is not only that I'm going to attend this session just for the sake of attending, but I will take this class in a very, very positive way, right? Next, sir, what should I do after the class? If I want to talk about what should I do after the class, so after the class, the number one thing which you should do is revise whatever sir has taught or madam has taught. Very important. This happens in your online and offline both classes, right? Secondly, when you have revised those particular things, you need to practice. Either you ask the faculty to give you some questions for practice, or you may fill some reference books for practice. Today we have ebooks available, you have physical books available, whatever is comfortable to you, you can do. You can have a blend of both online and offline world. You can have a blend of both online and offline world. You know, this is the before and this is the before and this is the afters. You know, whatever you want to do, you can, right? Another thing. So once you revise whatever sir has or madam has taught, you need to practice that. Okay. If you're not practicing, this is only half part of the story done. Number 3, after the class, it is very important to collect doubts. Most of the students feel that in an online class, doubts cannot happen. Please understand, collect doubts. Request your faculty to do a specific doubt session, right? If you have doubts, put it on your WhatsApp group or your Telegram groups or whatever. If you have doubts, small doubt. But if you have many doubts, my suggestion is collect them. Don't hesitate to ask your coordinators to put up a doubt session, specific doubt session only for asking doubts. You can send the question beforehand so that the faculty don't waste time in reading the question and understanding it and giving you the solutions. So this is the 3 things which I would recommend you, which you should do after the class. I hope it is very much clear that what I need to do to make online classes effective before the class and what I need to do after the class, right? Before the class is you start on time so that you check your internet, everything, the devices, go to YouTube or your reference book or maybe whatever book you are referring to, go through what is going to happen today, make separate notebooks and make wonderful notes out here. Space छोड़ना है आपको so that आपको revision के time पे बहुत फायदा मिलेगा. First revision you should do just after the class. You know, a scientific research says that if you study something new and you revise it within 24 hours, the probability of it gaining in your brain is very, very high. I repeat my statement. I said, if you read something new and you revise that in 24 hours, the probability of retaining that in your brain is very, very high. अगर आप कोई चीज नई पढ़ते हो, नया कुछ देखते हो और 24 आवर्स में उसे रिवाइज कर लेते हो, that means वो आपकी परमानेंट मेमोरी में जाने के लिए ज्यादा प्रोबेबल होता है compared to something which you revise later. So my suggestion to everybody is just after the class, maybe you should revise something which you have studied. Second, as I said, you should practice. If you don't have much practice material, ask your faculty to provide you a practice material. He or she will never refuse to give you practice material. And number 3, don't be hesitant to feel कि मेरे doubts कौन solve करेगा. Collect your doubts, request the faculty member or the management to give you doubt session, specific doubt session. And if there is a 1 or 2 doubt, put it in the chat box or talk to the faculty and get your doubts done. Because if you have doubt, the problem with student is we get stuck. Doubt आया, हम रुक गए, हम आगे नहीं बढ़ पाए सर. तो डाउट को क्लियर करना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. आई होप इट इज वेरी क्लियर. One more thing which you need to understand is this is before and after, and I will say something which is in class. सर क्लास में क्या करना है? क्लास में सबसे ज्यादा आपको जो करना है वो है attentiveness, right? Please don't get distracted. I've seen a lot of students, you know, opening up mobile phones or maybe talking to your friend or maybe Instagram and things like this. Please make sure that you are not doing that. Again, I told you the moment it will come to your mind that these classes are just for time pass, these classes are by force, मुझे तो mass promotion ही मिल जाने वाला है. यार, that's okay. I understand that particular aspect of your life, but please understand, जिंदगी की लड़ाई में कैसे लड़ोगे? You know, I told you, you are building blocks by these classes. You know, you are building blocks. Now, if you are, this is your, let's say, for example, your 7th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade, 10th grade example I'm giving. And here your life starts after your graduation. Now, if I remove the class 9 fundamentals from this, if I remove the class 9 fundamentals, don't you think that will be a big gap in your career? And here, when you reach, you know, at an age of 25 or 23, 27, when you realize, oh, boss, my class 9 fundamentals are not that great, nobody can help you. You know, and it will fall very, very sorry situation for you when you will feel that after, you know, 5-10 years from now. I hope that makes a lot of sense for you guys, right? Great. Now talking about myths about online education, last 2-3 minutes I'll take, and then I'll take up all your online doubt, because I understand it's a Sunday evening, raining out there, and you might be eager to go out, or maybe meet people and talk to friends. I'll take another 2-3 minutes, and then we'll take up after that any questions if you have. We will discuss in the chat box. So myths about online education. Number one, it's not interactive. I am sorry to say it's interactive. It depends upon how do you interact with the kids. Right now, I am not interacting with you because I'm giving you some theory, but I told you after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, we are going to interact. I am going to give you rights to speak. So it's very, very interactive. I give a lot of activity to students. We have been doing a lot of science workshop, maths workshop, which have been fun. You can see on our YouTube channel of Career Launcher Tuitions, you will find out wonderful, wonderful sessions, which are very, very interactive. The students are participating, the teachers participating, and there's no difference between a physical class and an online class. But yes, it depends upon the tutor, how that tutor is making it interactive. Students get distracted. Yes, sometimes students get distracted, but again, as I said, if the teacher is throwing fire, right, student won't be eligible, or won't be doing any distraction at all. They will definitely stick to the screen. But yes, the important part is the faculty need to be very much interactive. The faculty need to be understanding the student need and everything. That is very, very important. It cannot take a test or evaluate correctly. The online education is very bad in terms of taking tests. So these days, guys, let me tell you, most of your entrance exams, maybe IIT or NEET, or most of the exams, maybe CAT, all have become online, right? And they are effectively taking tests very, very effectively at your home, right? Need not to go to a center, in fact, at times. So there are proctored tests, and they are very, very authentic tests. In the Western world, these things is going on since many years. So I don't think that will be a problem. And I'm telling you, be cautious. From now onwards, in the next 2-3 years, people will definitely implement this thing in schools also, because it becomes very easy for paper checking, evaluating. Yes, there are nuances like subjective answers ko kaise check karenge, objective to fir bhi check kar sakte hain, and all those things. But still, there are online material available, there are online softwares available, and I'm very sure the future of education will move toward that thing. It's one to many. Only one person is speaking, many are listening. There are thousands of students. How can I be one of them? I've seen a lot of students having classes of 100 students, 200 students. So yeah, that can be a restriction at time, but we professes that in our class, we have not more than 10 to 15 kids. In each and every class, हम लोग का बहुत बड़ा USP है Career Launcher का, कि हम लोग केवल 10 to 15 students को ही class में रखते हैं, because that is very, very effective to get into a good education. ठीक है, because उससे ज़्यादा बच्चे होंगे तो yeah, distraction बढ़ता है. You cannot focus on one student. I can talk to a student, I can force that student to discuss on this, right? So this is what I wanted to discuss with you guys. These are the 3 highlights which I told you: online versus offline, before and after of an online session, and myths about the online education. So COVID has done, converted our online to offline and offline to online, sorry. And then you have what are the advantages and disadvantages you can look forward for before and after of this. And then finally, I've told about the myths of an online education. So if you remember one words of mine, that agar aap pad rahe ho to apne liye padho, kisi aur ke liye nahi. That is very important, right? So that's it from my side. This is what I wanted to speak, guys. In case you have any questions now, you can just put your question. So Kushal is asking me a question, sir, what should be my timetable for study? So Kushal, I cannot make your timetable. Please understand. You need to make your timetable. Now, how do you make a timetable? Please understand. So when you go to a school, it was very much structured, right? Now it is not very structured. So how will I do that? So my suggestion to you is break your day into 4 halves. Break your day into, let's say, 3 halves or 4 halves, whatever you say, right? Let me try to divide this into 4 halves or 4 quarters, and name them as morning, afternoon, evening, and late evenings. Now, for example, some people are nocturnal, they used to study late evenings, and some people are good enough to study in the morning. That particularly depends upon you, right? Make a schedule which is, let's say, day 1, day 2, day 3, and not make a more than day 3 schedule. Because the moment we make a 1 month schedule, the moment we make a big schedule, not at all. It will take a hell lot of time to follow this schedule, right? So probably what I'm trying to say here is that morning, afternoon, evening, and late evenings. And what you do is, for example, here I'll read newspaper. Just an example I'm giving. Okay, you write it down, right? Here I'll have, or maybe let's say I'll go to school, or maybe attend online class for school, right? Here I'll sleep for a while and I will do homework. Here evening I'll do my career launcher classes. Okay, late evening, you divide that late evening into two parts. I will do some part of entertainment. I will watch a series. No problem. Don't be very dull in only study. Some time for entertainment is also important. I will do one sheet on this particular exercise. So make this schedule. And what you should do is ideally, इसको paste कर लीजिए अपने notebook पे या अपने soft board पे. And every day, once you finish this, you put a cross. Supposedly this thing is not done, put a circle. So that means you need to get up early in the morning and finish it up. Whether it is a personal task or a professional task, you should do that. Or maybe here, if you have some time, or maybe the class got cancelled, or the school, you have one class free, or something of that kind, you should cover up the circle parts. I hope it is clear. Schedule part, how to make up a wonderful schedule, right? Kushal, I hope it is clear. So yeah, I'm taking another question. Sir, can't we just directly make a timetable for every day? Mansha, my request would be, yes, you can, but ideally, if you take it in a bird eye view, it will make more better, but yeah, it depends upon person to person. If you are making it every day and you are very comfortable with it, go ahead, no problem. Some people go for a weekly schedule, some go for a 3-day schedule. My recommendation normally is to take a 3-day schedule because it gives you a bird eye view, because it's not only one day we are fighting, we are actually fighting for a longer period. Fine, Mansha, clear? Kushal, fine, clear? Yeah, any other questions? If you please keep on posting. To say about online education, I've already discussed. I just want now you guys to ask me questions if you have any. Otherwise, if you want to talk to me one-to-one, or if you want to discuss with me, I have shared my number. That's 924-927097. That's our office address. In case you want to come down, we are at office. You can discuss with us. This is Stuti ma'am's number. Excuse me. So in case you want to talk and you want to discuss about anything related to our class, you can always get in touch with her. Right? Yeah. Pankti, you seriously don't require an aspiration.ai account as of now. Okay? There is no requirement of that. Whenever that will be required, we will let you know. So for every class, so whatever sheets which we are giving to the class students, it is more than sufficient. Those tests which are available on aspiration will give you in your offline mode also. Don't worry about that. So don't need to go for the aspiration as of now. Okay. Yeah, Asha, in case you want to do that, you need to be practicing more. I have shared my number with you. You can get in touch with me. Sir, from my side, how to study interactively. Dhruv, I think one-to-one we can discuss because that is your one-to-one issue. We have to one more problem of network issue. Yeah, that is a problem, Kushal. At times network issue आपको solve करना पड़ेगा at your end. My suggestion is पापा को बोलो थोड़ा सा पैसा खर्च करो, बोलो मैं इस महीने पिज्जा नहीं लूंगा, एक नया ड्रेस नहीं लूंगा, एक वेकेशन पे नहीं जाऊंगा, वो पैसा बचा के एक घर में बूस्टर लगा लो, because यहाँ पर problem है, in that area there is a problem of internet, so you can resolve it by putting up a booster at your house. Right, एक booster लगवा लीजिए अपने घर पे उसको solve करने के लिए, because there are solutions from that. And if you want to make interactive through, my suggestion would be do revisions. Ask your bhaiya and didi and uncle and aunties and neighbors to ask you questions. Oral test जो लेते थे ना पहले बचपन में, try to do those oral tests. That will be helping you through. Sir, I have yeah, so Kushal, agreed. So you will have to find out a way out of it, because that varies from area to area. Okay, we can announce a revision. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So guys, one more thing which I think Stuti ma'am has pointed me in the chat box is we are going to start with a revision week. I'm sure in the next month you all are having some or the other exam in your school, right? In the first two chapters of mostly all the subjects. So we are going to start a revision batch from 5th of July, if I'm not wrong. That is a Monday. So we are starting a batch from 5th of July, and you all are compulsory invited for that particular thing. It's a free session for anybody, any of your batchmates, any of your friend, bhaiya sitting in Kanpur or Baroda or Delhi, anybody can attend that online. Contact the number which is mentioned in the bottom. Ma'am can help you. that will be a pure revision batch for the first two or three chapters of whatever course which you have done. So it will be very important before the examinations, and we'll be conducting it both in the offline and as well as the online mode. So in case government allows, you will be allowed to come down to the center also to attend that class. And if doesn't allow, we'll give you the online mode also. Sir, what if I get distracted by YouTube only? Like sometimes we do, sir, sometimes and end up watching useless videos. So Mansa, my request to you would be, that is a human thing to happen. Because you are in class 10th, my recommendation to you would be unsubscribe to YouTube. आपके मोबाइल से YouTube हटा लीजिए. In case you want to have some entertainment, go to your papa's mobile and watch a YouTube video at times, but not from your own mobile. My request, because this is your class 10, which is very, very critical, and class 10 fundamentals are very important throughout your lifetime. Whatever you do in your life, class 10 fundamentals will be important. So distractions are ought to happen, okay, but there are solutions to this. And again, as I said, if you are firm, if you are determined that, you know, I will not let it go, it will be very important. Okay. Yeah, Kushal, you see, again, the moment you say it is boring, we are not able to do this, you know. Okay, Pankti, I think you can get in touch with me. Pankti, you can get in touch with madam also. Satisfactory material नहीं है आपके पास, साइंस का बहुत मटेरियल है बेटा, बहुत मटेरियल है, चिंता मत कर, सब मिल जाएगा तेरे को, ठीक है. एक बार मैम से बात कर लो, नहीं तो मेरा नंबर लेके आप मुझसे बात कर लो. We can give you wonderful material, don't worry about that, ठीक है. Pankti, Stuti ma'am, you can note down, Pankti has some issues with that particular thing also. So Kushal, you need to understand, यार बोरिंग घर पे होता है तो थोड़ा सा एंटरटेनमेंट बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. जैसा मैंने कहा कि अगर डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हैं कुछ, मतलब मैं सोशल मीडिया की तरफ से या कुछ भी चीजों की वजह से, उसको दूर रखो. पापा का मम्मा का मोबाइल ले लो थोड़ी देर के लिए अगर एंटरटेनमेंट करना है तो. एंड यू नो, दिस इज द टाइम वेयर यू हैव टू मेक योर करियर्स, ठीक है. यस, आई अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड यू आर होम अरेस्ट and that becomes a problem. You become a bit dull, but yes, it's another 1 month or so now, and then after that you will be probably able to come out of your house also. Okay, I have to talk to ma'am. She said there is no not my subject, so I'll ask you. Okay, definitely Pankti, we can help you, okay. Just connect with me or Netrapal sir, they will definitely help you on this, okay. Yeah, I study from Extra Marks app. That is wonderful for all classes. Yes, it's good. You can definitely, Stuti, you can go to that particular app. Anything, yeah, you go to any source and study. That is not a problem at all. But the point is, you should study. वो important है कि अपन को पढ़ना है, अपन को आगे बढ़ना है, ठीक है. So I hope I have answered most of your questions now, guys, and I have my number out here in case you have more questions, you want to connect to me one-to-one, you are most welcome. Ping me on WhatsApp or Twitter or Instagram or wherever you are, so we can do that, okay. So my mom agreed to me to watch particular movies only on Sunday, but my Sunday just ends studying. Yeah, so Mansa, that means we are not doing managing of time properly, okay. So time management is very important, beta. So if you're not able to do that, it will be a very, very bad thing. So I get distracted by TV games playing, then what to do? Mera suggestion hai TV hata dijiye. If you are very critical on that lines, please remove TV, ठीक है. कनेक्शन हटा दो, DTH है बंद कर दो. Yes, that will be a problem कि यार सर फिर entertainment का साधन क्या रह जाएगा. There will be lot of other ways you can do it, ठीक है. So you can do, Kushal, I'll be taking all the strategy sessions only, ठीक है. So don't worry about that, and I take only strategy sessions, ठीक है. So कैसे आपको marks लाना है, कैसे आपको पढ़ना है, and all those things. So I'm from the management area, which will be helping you. How to manage homework and learning both? So Pankti, that is important. Again, matter comes the time management. You can do both, ठीक है. So जब आप homework कर रहे हैं, learning कर रहे हैं, देखो आपको भी पता है कि हम कहाँ टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं. आप अपने आप से पूछ के देखो, टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं, बिल्कुल करते हैं. अगर हम इफेक्टिवली टाइम को यूज करेंगे तो मैं दोनों चीजों को आराम से मैनेज कर सकता हूँ. हाँ, अगर आप चिट चैटिंग में टाइम लगा रहे हो, मोबाइल पे टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो, तो nobody can help. Please understand. Either you make up a career or you enjoy your life. It cannot happen both, you know. And if you want to make it both, it has to be very, very effective time management, nothing else. If you can do a very good time management, life will become easy for you. I hope this part is very much clear to everybody, right? Yeah, guys, okay. So I'll just end up this session here. I understand it's a Sunday evening. You would have a lot of agendas to work upon. So that's my number, that's my name. And in case you want any more details, you are most welcome to come back to us. And please stay tuned for the revision sessions starting from next Monday, right? Bye-bye, take care, guys. Bye. Have a nice day. अपना बहुत ध्यान रखिए, पढ़ाई कीजिए, बहुत जबरदस्त करियर बनाइए, and enjoy in your life. Bye-bye, take care. Bye. Bye, 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 everyone.